Welcome to Green Magic Gardening. My name is Ramblin' Repulsive Red Cup Range Rover Ribby Boy, and this is the People's Channel, where we keep it raw, real, and 100, guys. The channel where you are more than just a number. And Gingy B says hi. He's doing pretty good. A lot of you guys have been asking, but he has been puking almost every day. It's at the point now. It's only water. He'll drink a bunch of water and then pukes it up. But yeah, so he's getting worse, guys, but you wouldn't even know it. He isn't like he wants to go out. He wants to mess around all the time. But yeah, he's pretty sick, obviously. He's about to turn 18 years old, guys. But drop a like, drop a comment for Gingy. Gonna be sad when he's gone. I was thinking about getting him a friend, a younger kitten, right? Just to, I don't know, maybe liven him up a bit, you know? Carry on his role when Gingy's gone. It sucks, man. It sucks. So, guys, I bought this pH pen with my own money. This is going to be a short video. We're going to keep it short. I was going to get into a bunch of stuff about pH, but I'm going to save that for another video, maybe next week or the following month here, guys. It's going to be slower. I'm not going to be putting out as much content until July. We do got the melon, and I'm going to be starting something else. But I'm going to go 1 video a week to 2 videos a week. 2 weeks, I'll probably do 2 each week. And then 2 weeks of the month, I'll probably do just 1, guys. But yeah, and then once July comes, we're full force, man. We got tons of freaking awesome content. Now, guys, this cost me $104 Canadian, so about $70 American. You can't get them in Canada. And yes, of course, they would have sent me one for free. But I wanted to make this up to them because of the strikes and stuff and how my views have been down so low. I didn't want to just ask them, hey, can you give me more now? You know what I mean? So they're sticking by me with everything that I'm going through. So the least I could do, you know, was grab a few items with my own money. So they would have happily gave me this for free. But they just sent me a bunch of stuff too. So I don't want to be freaking greedy. I'm not a freaking greedy guy by any means. So we'll keep this quick. Really, I haven't seen any videos on the pH pen, and I've been dying to see this in person. I didn't even know they had it, that they made one. I think this is a good idea. Yes, and everything will be in the first pinned comment or the description of the video, guys. Code Green Magic, one word. All my code works for everything I'm affiliated with. From the past that I've said in past videos and all that, my code still works with everything. Feels pretty good. It feels a lot better than like the cheap. What was the cheap one? I think it was I don't want to put any companies down, but I'm pretty sure it was a Vivo Sun one. I'm pretty sure they make a much better one now. It was a cheap like $18 pH pen, so what can you expect? But that was the first one I bought, and it was pretty crappy. All right. Smells weird. Now, where is... Oh, I like that screen, guys. I do like that screen. I'm not going to lie. All right, let's test it out. Let's see. This one is at 8. It says it's 8. It might need to be calibrated. It's not doing anything. Oh, there we go. I like that. I like that screen on it, guys. My Blue Lab, I always... Do you know what I find myself doing all the time, guys? Coming over and... do you guys find yourself doing this? When the screen darkens, it's so hard to see. You gotta come over and light it back up again to be able to freaking see. Stop that. Yeah, it should be right around 8. A little bit less usually it is. This thing is seeming pretty freaking accurate, guys. I'm gonna pause it until it's done. Oh shit, I just realized it tells you the ppm. It does the strength of the nutrients too. No way, I didn't even know that, guys. 130 it says up there on my Blue Lab one. It says 87 ppm here. That definitely, I think, needs to be calibrated. But the pH is looking bang on. Unless it is, unless 130 is wrong on that one, I don't know. I like this, guys, I'm not gonna lie. For what you guys pay for, $40 American, man, do I even have to say much more? Keep the tip wet with the solutions that they give you. Actually, guys, there's nothing here to keep the tip wet. So maybe you don't have to, but look at that screen, guys. I'm liking that screen. Shows you your battery. Let's, oh, so cool. They don't even take batteries now. They just recharge. Oh, that's badass. I'm glad I bought this. I really am glad I bought this, guys. Green Magic approved, baby. And it does your temperature. So it does everything that the big Blue Lab one does on my wall here, guys. It does everything the same. That is a hell of a deal for $40 American. Ramblin' Ribbon, signing off. Freaking love you guys. See you below.